Before charging the power box, please make sure to switch it off. If it is switched on, it will not charge at all. The charging process starts as soon as you connect the charger to the power box. If the charge LED shines green, it is fully charged. Before using the controller, you have to place batteries inside. So remove the battery compartment and insert the batteries. Please pay attention to the right polarity. By default, rechargeable batteries are included. For recharging, simply connect the charger to the controller. As long as the charger is connected, the charging process is active, no matter if the controller is switched on or off. But to see the charge progress, your controller must be switched on. If the LED shines green, it is fully charged. The tablet PC can be recharged by using its own charger. For long-lasting measurements with GeoSeeker, you may connect the tablet PC to the USB power pack to extend its operating time. Don't forget to switch on the power pack. For additional information about charging your equipment, please read the user's manual.